Good evening, everyone. My name is Vasu. I am currently a final year engineering student at JNTU Amsterdam. My ACATs are 10 GPA in 10th and 95 in 12th and 76 in engineering. So I started preparing for CAT in my second year around 2020. Well over 2 years for my first attempt, but it didn't make me feel complacent as time flies just as fast and there will be semester exams in between. Time will be wasted in so many ways. So I started right away when I'm still in my second year of engineering. I will go through my studies for each section. And first, I will start with QA. Although this section was missing initially, I still gave equal emphasis and spent a lot of time practicing questions from various sources. Also, I completed one for 3 rounds, keeping the virtual targets of CAT 2021 and 2022 as virtual targets. Also, coming to DLR, I work for DLR in the same lines as QA. Practice set from different sources. Practice in a lot of sets is key in this. Expose yourself, expose yourself to as many sets as possible. Some of the sources I practice from DLR is so you can practice anywhere from DLR. And mock tests are very important for DLR. This is the most unpredictable section, and I found myself in very deep trouble in during the exam because 32 minutes passed and I just marked 5 questions, out of which 2 were wrong. And the key in this section is believe in your abilities and don't give up in the last minute because with just 8 minutes left, I was in immense pressure to crack at least one set completely. All the other 3 sets were extremely lengthy and 2 of them were not doable in exam conditions. But the other set, which was too tough with lot of maths and ratios in it, but I eventually cracked it and I got 15 marks in last 8 minutes. So don't lose hope until the section is over. Coming to VRC prep is very boring because everyone will everyone will suggest the same thing, reading and reading. But I didn't prepare much in the initial stage of my preparation. The only time I took seriously is when I started giving more. I knew I was bad at VRC from the start, but it kept on disappointing me as none of the strategies I worked in initial stage. So it was in September after my semester exams, and this was the time to excel in the VRC for me because in my initial mock test, I used to get barely 70 percentile in VRC. Also, I got single digits in VRC in many of my mock. But as I said, I have practiced on analyzed over 150 RCs from various sources, including GMAT and LSAT RCs, but I didn't make any progress. Still, I was getting a single lead marks in this section. This in turn led a lost form in DLR. So to tackle this, I have started reading articles from various sources like Aaron and Harper's Magazine. But I I thought I would take time and this will not work because I have tried and tested many strategies, but they nothing have worked initially. So I improved my attention span by forcefully focusing for a long time, reading Aaron and Harper's Magazine. But I was surprised to see the results. I saw the difference and improved quicker than I thought. So I started getting 90 percentile in VRC and overall my scores have improved overall. So overall I'm pretty happy with how the section went in exam, especially from where I have started because VRC was my nemesis because I cannot describe how bad it was initially. I was I was thinking at least I could cross 90 percentile initially, but eventually I ended up getting 95 in VRC. So in my exam day strategy is in VRC, my strategy was to attempt all the RCs and VA questions in the given order from 1 to 24 questions, everything. So in exam, I attempted 20 questions and got 13 of them correct. And that I had built the reading speed because that is the most important thing for VRC. Build reading speed and improve the comprehension. Therefore, it was not a problem for me to complete all the questions at 60 to 70% accuracy. You don't need to be 100% accurate in VRC to get to cross the cutoffs or even to get above 99 percentile. Because if you want to cross the cutoffs or to get 95 percentile, even 60 to 70% accuracy will do great. If you want to cross 99 percentile, then getting it above 80% is very necessary to score 99 above in VRC. Coming to DLR and QA, do not panic in the exam situation because even in QA, I faced difficulty in the second half of the QA. I could not get going in the second half. There were a lot of dates and a lot of difficult questions in the second half. I wasted 78 minutes in the second half because I cannot pick the right questions, and eventually I thought I was giving up. So I still get up and bounce back by solving five correct questions in the last 12 minutes. So do not lose hope. There will be easier questions at the end of the exam as well as at the start as well. So do not lose the hope till the last minute and do the question even if only 2 to 3 minutes are left, because there will always be some easier questions left. So be thorough with the preparation as well as be consistent in the preparation. So that's all from my side.